Buildings redevelopment is an important trend that will shape the future of the next few years. Special attention is needed to exchange air in increasingly airtight homes, to safeguard indoor well-being without wasting energy. Helty is proud to present Flow Manhattan, the new heat recovery ventilation for building redevelopment. Flow Manhattan reshapes single-room mechanical ventilation, camouflaging it in the external cladding during the refurbishment works. The system is set up in the same phase of outer cladding. Thanks to the air intakes placed on the side of the window, there is no impact on the building architecture. Inside, the system is completed by a small air diffuser that continuously delivers renewed air, purified by the filters and warmed by the heat recovery unit. Thanks to variable airflow rates and maximum silence, this solution ensures a unique balance between indoor air quality and comfort. Discover the new frontier of HRV for building redevelopment. Flow Manhattan, minimal impact, maximum comfort.